Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Bank of Jamaica's Financial Policy Committee, FPC, is anticipating that the country will experience a significant impact on its gross domestic product following the passage of Hurricane Melissa on October 28, 2025. Regarding non-performing loans, the FPC believes that while credit quality will deteriorate, deposit-taking institutions are well capitalized and have made provisions to absorb the shock of delinquency. The committee pointed to Jamaica's low level of non-performing loans for justification. At the same time, the FPC believes that insurance claims are likely to increase, arising from the damage and destruction suffered from Hurricane Melissa. However, given the strong reinsurance coverage and low property insurance penetration in some of the parishes impacted, insurance providers will not have to deal with the challenge of insurance insolvency. The state-owned refinery Motorists will pay more for gas as of Thursday. The state-owned oil refinery Petrojam says that E1087 is to move up by $3.06 to sell for $155.42 per liter. And a liter of E1090 will go up by $3 and 0.6 cents to sell for $162.03. Automotive diesel oil will move by $4.50 and per liter to sell for $168.75. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for $174.75 per liter, following an increase of $4.50. The price of kerosene will go up by $2.94, with that fuel to sell for $153.14. Meantime, propane cooking gas will go down by 25 cents to sell for $73.72, while butane will move up by 0.05 cents to sell for $82.43 per liter. Retailers will add their markups to the announced prices. More companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange reported a mixed bag of financial results this quarter. Epley Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30 report a 61% decrease in 9 months net profit attributable to shareholders. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025 reports a 31% increase in 9 months net profit. Spurtree Spices Jamaica Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ending September 30, 2025 reports a 53% increase in 9 months net profit. For the trading period ending November 19, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,613,689 units representing 24.11% of market sales volume. Jamaica Fiberglass Producers Limited with 2,973,768 units representing 15.54% of total sales volume. Lasco Financial Services Limited with 2,199,718 units representing 11.5% of total sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 19, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $92.72 million purchased and US $83.81 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.24 per dollar, selling the US at $159.98 and buying the US at $161.22. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.29 per transaction, with selling at $114.83 and buying at $113.54. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.70 in profits, with selling at $207.91 and buying at $210.56. For our credit report tip of the day, when a disaster destroys a business and the owner has no documents to prove they were operating, the credit report becomes a tool that moves everything forward. It confirms identity, shows address history, and outlines financial behavior that relief agencies and lenders can immediately rely on. That single report can trigger action, emergency loans, raise limits, payment breaks, microgrants, and real support from banks and agencies that would otherwise turn them away. It shows their financial footprint when their entire physical world has disappeared. The report highlights patterns of spending, whether tools, inventory, equipment, that signal the owner was actively running a business. With this evidence, lenders can take action by approving emergency funding, raising credit limits, or offering payment relief. Relief agencies can use the report to justify assistance for someone who has no lease or registration but clearly has a financial footprint. The credit report also helps the owner restart faster. It gives them leverage to negotiate with banks, reopen accounts, secure personal loans, reconnect with suppliers, and access short-term capital. As they stabilize, that same credit history becomes the foundation for registering the business, gaining vendor terms, and stepping into formal operations. When every physical document is gone, the credit report becomes the first proof of economic life and the fastest pathway to rebuild their income. In our funded and focused feature, for women entrepreneurs ready to rise, tightening your business documents is a game changer. A business compliance health check helps you organize the essentials: your business registration, licenses, tax filings, financial statements, contracts, insurance policies, and credit records. So everything speaks the same professional language lenders and partners expect. When these documents are accurate, updated, and easy to present, you show strength, readiness, and discipline. This level of organization doesn't just keep your business compliant, it positions you to secure funding, attract high-value opportunities, and operate with the confidence that your foundation can support the next stage of your growth. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.